CHM-Machinery, the whole process of disassembling, replacing and installing the slitting knives of A4 paper cutting machine. Part 1. Step 1. Firstly, disassemble the upper slitting knives of the A4 machine one by one. We need to prepare the auxiliary tools required for disassembling the slitting knives in advance, including hoisting straps, a set of hex keys, an adjustable wrench, a 14mm hex key, a 19mm box end wrench, a rubber hammer, WD-40 rust inhibitor, wooden blocks, and an iron hammer. For safety reasons, we should wear work gloves. Step 2. Disassemble the top pulley. Step 3. Remove the belt. Step 4. Unscrew the screws on the left and right sides of the cardboard passing plate. 1. And then take off the cardboard passing plate. 1. Step 5. Loosen the screws on the left and right sides of the cardboard passing plate. 2. And then take off the cardboard passing plate. 2. Step 6. Firstly, loosen the large nut of the fixing part of the lower slitting knife. Then, slowly turn the central shaft using the adjustable wrench. Through turning the central shaft, move the fixing part of the lower slitting knife out. If it is impossible to move out the lower slitting knife, you can use a crowbar to pry it slowly. Step 7. Move the lower slitting knife out. Step 8. Tie the lower slitting knife well with the lifting strap, and then move it out by forklift. Be careful not to bump into the lower slitting knife during the moving process. Then, place wooden blocks under the lower slitting knife. Finally, stand the lower slitting knife upright and wipe it clean to facilitate the next step of knife replacement.